Are you experiencing slow charging, errors, or connection problems with your 2020 Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. This video will guide you through common issues and provide troubleshooting steps. We'll cover everything from identifying the problem to potential fixes. Many issues are resolvable through software updates or simple maintenance. So let's get started. Slow charging is a frequent complaint among Tesla Model 3 owners from 2020. The primary causes include thermal throttling due to battery or port overheating, using low-power adapters that limit charging speed, or software glitches that prevent optimal performance. Thermal throttling occurs when the battery or charge port overheats during charging. To protect the vehicle's components, the system automatically reduces charging speed. This is common in hot weather or when using high-power charging for extended periods. Low-power adapters are a common cause of slow charging. Tesla vehicles require specific adapters to achieve maximum charging speeds. Using third-party or incompatible adapters can limit power delivery, especially at DC fast chargers like superchargers. Always verify you're using Tesla-approved equipment. Software glitches in the vehicle's firmware can lead to slow charging. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that improve charging algorithms and fix known issues. Ensuring your Model 3 has the latest software is crucial for optimal charging performance. The first solution is to ensure you're using Tesla-approved equipment. This includes certified adapters for home charging and compatible cables for public stations. Non-approved equipment can reduce charging speeds or cause errors. Check the Tesla mobile app for any error messages related to charging. The app provides real-time diagnostics and can display issues like no power or connection problems. Error codes can help identify whether the issue is with the vehicle, station, or cable. If your charging rate is significantly below 50 kilowatts at a supercharger, it may indicate a station issue or degraded cable. Try a different charging station to determine if the problem is with the location or your vehicle. This helps isolate whether it's a network problem or vehicle fault. Finally, ensure your Model 3 has the latest software updates. Tesla releases frequent over-the-air updates that optimize charging algorithms, fix glitches, and improve compatibility with charging networks. Check for and install any available updates through the Tesla app. Encountering error messages on your Tesla Model 3. Common ones include charging station not responding, charge port locked, or power delivery error. These messages provide clues to the problem. Charging station not responding usually indicates a network or connector fault at the charging station itself. Charge port locked suggests a mechanical issue with the port latch. Power delivery error implies a voltage mismatch. Note down the specific error code, like EC101, and consult the Tesla support website or app for detailed troubleshooting steps. Tesla frequently pushes over-the-air software updates that address charging issues in the Model 3. Ensure your Model 3 is always running the latest software version, as these updates often include fixes for slow charging and connection errors. The Tesla app offers remote diagnostics and troubleshooting options for charging problems. Use the app to check for error codes and follow recommended troubleshooting steps provided by Tesla. In many cases, Tesla can resolve charging problems remotely without requiring a service visit. This has accounted for a 70% remote resolution rate on complaints in 2025. Extreme cold can significantly impact charging performance. Cold temperatures can slow down the chemical reactions within the battery and potentially freeze the charge port. If you live in a cold climate, consider preconditioning the battery before charging. This can be done via the Tesla app. If the charge port is frozen, try using a hairdryer on a low setting to gently thaw it. Be careful not to use excessive heat or force, and always ensure the area is dry before attempting to connect the charger. Third-party CCS adapters can expand your charging options by allowing compatibility with non-Tesla charging networks. However, they also introduce potential risks. Non-Tesla adapters can sometimes cause charging errors or even damage the charge port. Tesla now advises against using third-party adapters due to reported issues. If you've experienced problems after using a third-party adapter, consider having the charge port inspected by a Tesla service center. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and are still experiencing charging problems, it's time to contact Tesla service. Document the issues you're encountering, including error codes and charging behavior. Your 2020 Model 3 is likely still under warranty, which may cover the cost of repairs. Tesla service can diagnose complex issues and perform necessary hardware replacements. Remember to escalate persistent issues to Tesla for warranty coverage.